class, I wanted to record a video and let you know of some new updates that I have done in Google Classroom. So when you first get into your Google Classroom, your first tab is the Stream page. This will include announcements, and then also every class period I'll post our daily agenda, which is primarily just to follow the task list for the day. But where can you find that task list? As you did before in the Classwork tab, right here is a heading that says Daily Task List. This is where all of the task lists will be located, and I will also date them too for easy convenience. One thing in those task lists that I want to point out is that you can now complete task 2 as the daily question or attendance question. You can now complete that using the link provided. So you don't have to open it up in a different tab. It's just right there for you. Okay? And then the other thing I wanted to point out is right at the very top, you could find our link to our online class. So whether it be Google Meet or Zoom, depending on the class. All right, thank you for watching. I just want you to know that you are all rock stars and I miss you all so much. Have a wonderful day.